At the beginning of the 20th century, thousands of immigrants from the Punjab region of British India arrived on the west coast of the United States. Most were Sikh farmers, although some were Hindu and Muslim laborers. They came searching for opportunity, but instead found long days in California's orchards, vineyards, rice fields, and vegetable farms. They lived in simple bunkhouses and labor camps where money was scarce, yet they worked hard to preserve the flavors of home, using inexpensive local ingredients mixed with traditional Indian cooking methods. They created meals that kept them healthy and connected to their culture. Here are the first 8 foods that were commonly eaten by Indian immigrants in California's farming camps during the early 1900s. 1. Roti made on cast iron griddle. Roti was the foundation of nearly every meal. Wheat flour was mixed with water and a little salt before being rolled into thin circles and cooked on a hot iron griddle. Even when proper Indian cooking tools were unavailable, workers improvised using cast iron pans found in American camps. Fresh roti was eaten with vegetables, lentils, or simply dipped into butter or oil when food supplies were limited. 2. Masoor dal. Lentils were inexpensive, filling, and easy to cook in large pots after a long day in the fields. Masoor dal simmered with onions, garlic, turmeric, and black pepper became one of the most dependable meals in labor camps. Since lentils stored well without refrigeration, they were perfect for workers who often lived in remote farming communities. 3. Chickpea curry. Dried chickpeas were another affordable staple available through local merchants. After soaking overnight, they were cooked with onions, tomatoes, cumin, coriander, and chili powder whenever these spices could be found. Chickpea curry provided valuable protein and was commonly served with fresh roti. 4. Boiled rice with vegetables. And growing rice industry made rice easier to obtain than many immigrants expected. Workers often prepared plain boiled rice mixed with seasonal vegetables such as carrots, onions, cabbage, squash, or spinach. The meal was simple but nutritious and could feed many people at once. 5. Potato and onion sabzi. Potatoes quickly became one of the most important foods for Indian farm workers. Cheap, widely available, and filling, potatoes were cooked with onions, turmeric, cumin, and chili flakes to make a dry vegetable dish known as sabzi. This meal traveled well and was often packed for lunch during long workdays. 6. Khichdi. Whenever money became tight or workers were exhausted, khichdi offered comfort and nourishment. Rice and lentils were cooked together until soft with turmeric, garlic, ginger, and whatever vegetables happened to be available. Easy to digest and inexpensive, khichdi reminded many immigrants of meals prepared by their families back home in Punjab. 7. Pickled vegetables. Many workers missed the strong flavors of traditional Indian pickles. Homemade acar was prepared whenever possible using carrots, turnips, green chilies, or lemons preserved with mustard oil, salt, and spices. These pickles lasted for weeks and added flavor to otherwise simple meals. 8. Spiced tea. Chai tea became an important part of daily life in the farming camps. Workers brewed black tea with milk, sugar, ginger, and cardamom whenever those ingredients were available. Chai provided warmth during cool California mornings and offered a chance for laborers to gather, rest, and share stories from home before returning to the fields. Life inside California's farming camps was far from easy. Workers faced discrimination, low wages, difficult living conditions, and long hours harvesting crops under the hot sun. Despite these hardships, food became a powerful symbol of identity and resilience. Every pot of dal, every fresh roti, and every cup of chai helped preserve traditions that had traveled thousands of miles across the Pacific Ocean. Although life in California's farming camps was demanding, Indian immigrants worked hard to maintain the food traditions they had brought from Punjab and other parts of India. Most laborers earned modest wages, so every ingredient had to be used carefully. They often shared cooking duties, prepared meals in large communal pots, and pooled their money to buy spices, flour, lentils, and fresh produce. These shared meals created a sense of family, helping workers endure homesickness and the challenges of immigrant life. Here are the next 9 foods that commonly appeared on their tables. 9. Goat curry. Fresh meat was considered a luxury and was usually prepared only after payday, religious gatherings, or community celebrations. Goat meat, when available from local ranchers or butchers, was cooked slowly with onions, garlic, ginger, turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili. The long cooking process made the meat tender, and the rich gravy was enjoyed with fresh roti or rice. A pot of goat curry often brought together dozens of workers for a rare festive meal. 10. Homemade yogurt. Dahi. Many immigrants believed no meal was complete without yogurt. Fresh milk was warmed and cultured overnight to produce homemade dahi. It was eaten with rice, served beside spicy curries, or enjoyed on its own during California's hot summers. Yogurt also helped balance spicy foods and provided important nutrition for laborers working long hours in the fields. 11. Moong dal. Green gram lentils became another favorite because they cooked quickly and were easy to digest. Moong dal was prepared with onions, garlic, turmeric, cumin seeds, and a simple tempering of hot oil. It was especially popular after exhausting workdays because it was both filling and comforting. 12. Cabbage. Sabzi cabbage grew well in California and was inexpensive at local markets. Workers sliced it thin and cooked it with onions, cumin, turmeric, and green chilies. Sometimes potatoes or peas were added to make the meal more filling. This simple vegetable dish became one of the most common dinners in farming camps. 13. Lentil soup with garlic. When supplies ran low, many workers made a thinner lentil soup using whatever lentils remained. Garlic, onions, black pepper, and turmeric added flavor while keeping costs low. Fresh bread or leftover roti was dipped into the soup, making it a satisfying meal after a difficult day of harvesting fruit or vegetables. 14. Kheer. Special occasions called for something sweet. Kheer, a creamy rice pudding made with milk, sugar, rice, and cardamom, was often prepared during religious festivals or community celebrations. If raisins or almonds were affordable, they were added as a special treat. Even a small bowl reminded immigrants of family celebrations back in India. 15. Fried onions with spice. Simple fried onions seasoned with cumin, coriander, turmeric, and chili became a versatile side dish. They were served with rice, stuffed inside fresh roti, or mixed into lentils for additional flavor. Since onions were inexpensive and widely available, this dish became a daily favorite. 16. Seasonal vegetable curry. California farms produced a variety of vegetables throughout the year. Workers adapted traditional Indian recipes by cooking local squash, beans, carrots, spinach, cauliflower, or pumpkins with familiar spices. These vegetable curries reflected both their Indian heritage and the agricultural abundance of their new home. 17. Gur with roti. Jaggery, known as gur, was treasured whenever it could be found in Indian grocery stores or imported through trading networks. A piece of jaggery wrapped inside warm roti became a simple dessert or an energy-rich snack before work. When jaggery was unavailable, workers sometimes substituted brown sugar or molasses to recreate a similar taste. For Indian immigrants, food was much more than nourishment. Every shared meal reinforced friendships, religious traditions, and cultural identity. After spending 10 or 12 hours picking fruit, cutting crops, or working irrigation systems, gathering around a communal cooking fire reminded them that they were not alone. Recipes were exchanged between villages, stories were shared over steaming cups of chai, and younger workers learned cooking techniques from older laborers. These meals also reflected remarkable adaptability. Ingredients unavailable in America were replaced with local alternatives, yet the heart of Indian cooking remained unchanged. The aromas of cumin, turmeric, garlic, ginger, and freshly baked roti transformed modest labor camps into places that briefly felt like home. As Indian immigrant communities slowly grew across California during the early 20th century, food remained the strongest connection to their homeland. Most workers lived far from their families, faced discrimination under restrictive immigration laws, and worked long hours harvesting fruit, vegetables, rice, and cotton. Yet every evening, The smell of spices rising from simple camp kitchens reminded them of Punjab and the villages they had left behind. Through shared meals, they preserved traditions that would eventually become part of California's rich agricultural history. Here are the final 8 foods commonly prepared in California's farming camps. 18. Chana dal. Split chickpeas were another affordable pantry staple. Chana dal was slowly simmered with onions, garlic, ginger, turmeric, cumin, and coriander until thick and creamy. The hearty dish provided lasting energy for laborers performing physically demanding work from sunrise until sunset. Served with fresh roti or rice, it became one of the most dependable meals in the camps. 19. Spiced okra. Bhindi masala. When okra became available during the growing season, workers prepared it with onions, cumin seeds, turmeric, coriander, and chili powder. The dry vegetable dish required very little oil and paired perfectly with warm flatbread. Many immigrants considered bhindi one of the closest reminders of meals they had enjoyed at home. 20. Simple chicken curry. Chicken was less expensive than some other meats and occasionally appeared after payday or during community gatherings. Cooked with onions, garlic, tomatoes, turmeric, ginger, and garam masala. The curry was prepared in large iron pots to feed dozens of workers at once. The rich aroma often attracted neighboring laborers who joined in the meal. 21. Lassi. During California's warm summers, homemade lassi became a refreshing drink. Yogurt was mixed with water and lightly sweetened with sugar or flavored with a pinch of salt and roasted cumin. Besides cooling workers after long hours in the fields, lassi also provided hydration and valuable nutrients. 22. Mixed vegetables. Nothing went to waste in the farming camps. Leftover carrots, potatoes, cabbage, beans, squash, spinach, and onions were combined into a hearty vegetable stew seasoned with garlic, turmeric, cumin, and black pepper. Every pot tasted slightly different depending on what vegetables were available that week. 23. Paratha. Whenever workers had extra flour and a little cooking fat, they prepared parathas instead of plain roti. The layered flatbread was crisp on the outside and soft inside. Sometimes it was stuffed with seasoned potatoes or onions, while other times it was simply brushed with butter or ghee before serving alongside lentils or curry. 24. Suji halwa. Religious celebrations and important festivals called for something sweet. Suji halwa was made by roasting semolina in butter before adding sugar, water, and cardamom. If raisins or almonds were available, they were added for extra flavor. This comforting dessert was often shared after prayers and community gatherings. 25. Fresh fruit from the farms. Ironically, many Indian immigrants harvested some of California's finest fruit. Grapes, peaches, apricots, pears, plums, and apples were sometimes enjoyed during meal breaks or taken back to camp after work. Seasonal fruit provided natural sweetness and essential vitamins, becoming an important part of their daily diet. Although these 25 foods appear simple by modern standards, they tell a remarkable story of determination, adaptation, and cultural survival. Indian immigrants arrived with very little, yet they carried recipes passed down through generations. They learned to replace unavailable ingredients with locally grown produce while preserving the familiar flavors of home. These farming camps also became places where communities formed. Workers celebrated Sikh festivals such as Vaisakhi, observed religious traditions, and gathered for weddings and special occasions whenever possible. Food stood at the center of every celebration. Large communal pots of curry, stacks of fresh roti, fragrant rice, and homemade sweets brought comfort during difficult times. The influence of these early immigrants extended far beyond their camps. Many eventually leased or purchased farmland, helping shape California's agricultural economy. Their cooking traditions spread through families, community kitchens, and later Indian restaurants across the state. Today, many classic Indian dishes enjoyed throughout California trace their roots to the resilience of these pioneering farm workers. The story of Indian immigrants in California is not only one of hard labor and sacrifice, it is also a story of food-preserving identity across continents. Every piece of roti, every bowl of dal, every cup of chai, and every shared meal represented hope, community, and an unbreakable connection to home. More than a century later, these humble recipes continue to remind us that even in the harshest conditions, culture can survive through the meals people prepare, the traditions they share, and the memories they pass from one generation to the next.